How to create group assignment in Ufuture. Log in as usual, go to My Courses, select your course, click View. At the side panel, click Continuous Assessment and select Assignment. So here you have a couple of options. First, you have plus new assignment beta, right? So over here, if you click on it, so as you can see, there is what we call the advanced setting. You can set the submission setting, the display setting, the feedback, the grading, and also the activity completion setting, right? So this is for the advanced setting. Now, you have another option, right? So I'm going to go back. You have plus new assignment. So this is the basic setting for an assignment. So as you can see, there's no advanced setting over here, right? Now, I'm going to show you an example where you create an assignment using the basic assignment setting. So first, type in the title of your assignment. And then in the description box, add in or type in the description of your assignment. So I usually will just put the description, a summary of the assignment here, right? And then select your start time, when you want the assignment to open, and then the end time, when it is the last date of the submission, and then select the semester. You can tick the send announcement if, let's say, you're teaching a couple of classes, not a couple of the entire semester. So you want to create an announcement, one-off, you just tick here. But do remember, if you set send announcement and you click on this box here, so all students that took this particular subject, will receive an announcement stating that there is an assignment, right? Including in Cawangan as well. Right, and then since this is a group assignment, so make sure you tick here, group assignment, and group marking indicating if, let's say, you are teaching with some of your colleagues, right? So you have team teaching, so each will have their own classes, so make sure you tick on this box here. But if you are the only one teaching, so you don't have to lah, right? But let's say if that is the case, meaning that there are 5 lecturers teaching the same subject, so all have their own classes, so click on this one here, right? And then put in the SLT. So this one, please refer to your table 4 or your SLT calculation. So let's say this is 15, right? Enable tracking, so you want to make sure that the submission is tracked, so click on this one. But then for enable tracking, it actually works together with the learning activities, yeah. So if you're not using the learning activity features here, you don't have to tick the enable tracking. But since I'm using the learning activity features, so I'm going to use it, right? And then show after marking. So what exactly that you want the students to see after you mark your assignment? So I want them to see the rubric, and I want them to see the score and the feedback as well, right? So these are the 3 things that I want the students to see. Okay, and then select group. So over here you can select the groups that you want the assignment to, right? So for example, these are the 2 groups, so I'll just click on these and add question, right? So add question. Okay, now once you add question, right, just go down here. So these are the questions, so meaning that the exact assignment question should be placed here. So put the question here, either you want to type it out, or if you don't want to, for example, in my case, I prefer to put attachment, so I just click attachment there, right? Select the file that I want, right, there you go, and put in the marks. Okay, right, so for example, in my case, I didn't put the marking rubric, so I'll just select here. Okay, I can choose the existing rubric because since the assignment has already been available, alright, I have created the assignment before, so the rubric are available, so I'll just select the rubric that I have created before, right? For example, I'm going to use this one here, okay, and then click that. Right, so there you go. So the assignment, the rubric is here, and I click submit. Now, to view the submission, you can just click on the name of the assignment, right? And then you can see these are the name of the students. So if let's say Aidil Amri were the one submitting the assignment, so he will tag his team member, right? And the assignment will group them together. So I'm going to show you what it will look like. Example, this is the rubric. Okay, so this is the rubric I have pre-prepared before. So if you want to give marks, since it is still not open, meaning that there is no submission, so I cannot show you how to use the rubric. But later in the next video, I'm going to show you what happened once the students submitted their assignment. Alright, that's it. Good luck. Bye.